Tired of dust, pollen, and pet odors in your home? The KNKA APH4000 air purifier steps up as a powerful solution for large rooms, boasting AHAM verification and smart modes. This air cleaner promises cleaner, fresher air for your living space. Check the link in the description for the best price. First, let's dive into the core performance and clever features that make the KNKA. The air purification power is a major strength, with AHAM verification providing concrete, high CADR values for smoke, dust. The dual, three-stage filtration system with a washable pre-filter and activated carbon ensures comprehensive air cleaning, trapping a wide range. Multiple smart modes like pet, sleep, auto, and ECO, along with a real-time AQI display, provide convenient and responsive air. The KNKA APH4000 clearly prioritizes effective air cleaning with verified performance and a thoughtful range. Next, let's examine the design considerations and what it's like to live. It provides excellent room coverage, refreshing air nearly 5 times an hour in 350 square feet rooms and handle spaces. Maintenance is made easy with a washable pre-filter and a helpful replacement indicator, simplifying routine upkeep for continued optimal performance. At $129.99, this purifier offers AHAM verified performance and large room coverage with advanced features, representing a very competitive value. This air purifier is designed for wide area coverage and offers straightforward maintenance, presenting a good. Ultimately, the KNKA APH4000 air purifier stands out as a strong performer for anyone needing to significantly improve air quality in large spaces. Its AHAM verification, comprehensive filtration, and smart modes like pet and sleep make it a versatile choice. While regular filter changes are a consideration, its overall effectiveness and features offer excellent value.